the hardest damn extraction I've ever done in my life. 55 years I never had to do one like this. Where are we going? You going bye-bye? Huh? You going bye-bye? See, you got your snacks, huh? Yeah, you got your snacks. You got your honey buns, some Diet Coke, some more tools. Huh? Where are we going? Going bye-bye? Yeah, we are. Is there a place to turn around?
There is. It's a little tight.
Alright, that's what they make goosenecks for.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
All right.
The 1966 Plymouth Valiant. A neat, trim, inexpensive, solid little saver.
Kelly, what are you doing? What do you think?
Easy. Oh!
I'm gonna go back this way?
Oh!
It's the hardest damn extraction I've ever done in my life. 55 years I never had to do one like this. Look at all these trees I mowed down. Mowed them down. You saw the pictures where this was. It was all the way up there. You see the tire tracks. Here we had to pull it that way, and then we got down here, we had to pull it back that way. That pine tree right there was right in the middle of the road, and I had to push it over just to get to the car. All right, cowboy.